Can somebody please play my level? If 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 you have Jobji Dash, then play my level. My level is ITB and these numbers. It's 3. No, it's 635. Okay, please. Please. Because I want somebody to play it. But I think it's an extinct demon. So only pro players. If you're new, yeah, just practice, okay? Okay. Please. Please. Please somebody comment and that. Because nobody supports and don't know me. And I thought I get 1,000 views. I get 1,000 likes. But it's the opposite. And I made a Roblox video. It 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 got 1,000 views. But it's in my another account named R. Yeah, it's named R. But you cannot find it, I think. It's where the video. But when I get 3,000 views on the video, that I just click on a box. That is not even important. It's literally just gonna get. It got almost 75 views. No. 75 times 75 likes. And the other video that got that is just got 8,000 views and almost got 100,000 views. What is going on?